Flopping, flopping, flopping. It's a start. I can keep on going. I won't blow it. Take a breath and hear the language flowing. You're a poet. This'll fly. Wait and see. Looky here, it's art to be. Never mind the oysters, see the perfect pearl. I'll deliver. Trust me, I'm your girl. Other writers leave you lost. But if I fail, and so you leave, and will not hear my case, I think I'll still believe that there's a special place for my strange sun with its strange glow. The only sun I know. Cracked stars with their weird shine. These are the stars that I call mine. Dark wings beating not all night. Oh, I thought it was. Could you come back later, Tommy? Yeah, I'm feeling kind of crummy. Bring the baby grand piano. I'll be sure to have this money. Oh, the phone, it never stops. Yes, hello, what do you want from me? Well, hello, is anybody there? My God, the way you people stare. June, of all things, K.O. tells me now he likes his roast beef rare. Roast beef rare? What do I care? You people make me nuts, I swear. You people make me cashews, almonds, pecans, and pistachios. And I'll tell you now, if you were all potatoes, I would mash you. But right now it doesn't matter, cause I have to make this batter. Linda, run to market, I need eggs, the other dozen splattered. Oh, and pick me up a monkey, and an aardvark, and a donkey, and a zebra. If you see one, ours is acting less than spunky. Now chop, chop, my dears, there's work to do. I can't go on indulging you. I've got to get my snakes repaired, there's boats to scrub, and airplanes too.
To leave the friends you love